Welcome to this tutorial on College Help AI, your AI-powered study assistant that works inside your browser. Let's start by visiting the official website at collegehelpai.com. Click on the Install Now button to open the Chrome Web Store. Now click Add to Chrome to begin the installation. Confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. After installation, a welcome panel appears with details on registration, subscription plans with 40% savings, login, account creation, and powerful features. Let's explore the extension. Click the extension icon at the top right of your browser. Here you can see your name, your subscription plan, and enable or disable the screenshot button. Now let's test the extension on Stack Overflow to answer questions. Choose any question, highlight the text, then right-click and select Ask College Help AI. The extension quickly processes your request and provides explanations and answers. A pop-up window appears with the answer and explanation. The pop-up supports all formats including code, math equations, and more. You can scroll to get more details. Part 2. Let's talk about the screenshot feature. There's a screenshot button in the bottom right that you can manage from the extension panel. You can enable or disable this button. Let's take a screenshot on this website to solve a sample math question. I'm opening a math website with a question. I click on the screenshot button. A semi-transparent overlay window appears to select the area to screenshot. After selecting the area, the extension starts to process the screenshot and gives the answer with explanation in the pop-up box. The answer is correct. College Help AI supports multiple languages in Ghost mode. Use it to learn and understand.